Hello dear students, I am Professor Anindya Dash from Achievers, and in this video I will discuss about the confusions with sign conventions in physics and in chemistry in context to thermodynamics. So let's start our topic. So in thermodynamics, the sign conventions are different in chemistry with respect to physics. So here I will be dealing with the sign conventions. For physics and for chemistry. Number one, in chemistry, work is defined as, what is the path function? It is defined as d cut W equal to minus POP dV. POP is the opposing pressure, dV is the change in volume, d cut W is the amount of work done in an indivisible amount. Okay. But it appears with a negative sign. That means for the process of expansion, where dV is positive, d cut W is negative. And for the process of compression, where dV is negative, what will happen? Negative multiplied by negative, it becomes positive. D cut W is positive. Understood? What does expansion signify? A system is expanding. That means inward force is given by the system. That means system is itself doing work or work done by the system. So expansion is nothing but work done by the system. On the contrary, compression is work done on the system. You are compressing a system, you are contracting a system. That means you are applying outward force on the system. That means you are working on the system. So compression stands for work done on the system. Is it clear? So this is the convention of work in context to chemistry. Now, in physics, you don't have any negative sign. D cut W is just simply POP dV. Here one assumption is made. We are considering solely mechanical work. We are not going for any non-mechanical work. We are solely sticking to mechanical work or PV work. Okay. So here it's just POP dV plus. So naturally everything is reverse. Here for expansion, d cut W is positive. For compression, d cut W is negative. So work done on the system is positive and work done by the system is negative. sorry, very sorry, work done by the system, it's positive, and work done on the system is negative. Okay. This is the first thing, first point of difference. The second one is d cut W, d cut Q, heat. The convention of heat is same both in physics and in chemistry. That means this is same. So I will not write it over here. We will write for the entire page for both the columns. The convention of heat is same. D cut Q. It's positive when heat is gained by the system, and d cut Q is negative when heat is lost by the system. So the convention of work is reverse for physics and chemistry, while the convention of heat is all the same for both the branches. Okay. So this is number 2. Now coming to number 3. First law. First law of thermodynamics. In physics, we write first law as d cut Q equal to du plus d cut W. And in chemistry, we write the first law as du equal to d cut Q plus d cut W. But both the cases will boil up into a common equation. How? You see, here you replace W by PdV. What you get? You get d cut Q equal to du plus PdV. And here what you do? You replace d cut W by minus PdV. Now minus PdV goes to that side, so it becomes du plus PdV. So again you get d cut Q equal to du plus PdV. So we will end up at the same result. We will end up at the same result over here. So the conventions of sign is a bit different for physics and chemistry, but eventually the first law boils up into the same equation. That's what was the thing I have discussed in today's video. So that's all, students, and bye bye for now.